Welcome students. Now I am going to discuss about examples of simple machines. In previous class we have learnt about simple machines and example of simple machines, pulley and inclined plane. Now let us see about wedge, screw, wheel and axle, lever. In simple machines, the device that makes the work easier. A simple machine is a mechanical device that change in the direction or magnitude. In a machine, force applied at the one point produces at the force at the another point to overcome a load. I write one formula: W is equal to F D. W is equal to work. F is the force. D is the distance. W work. F is force. And D is the distance. So the distance is increases. The force value is decreases. So the work is easier to the machines. So the work is easier to the machines. A wedge is a tool with a sharp edge which can be used to split materials. Almost all cutting tools make use the wedge. So a wedge is a simple machine. So a wedge is a simple machine. It is used to push object. It is used to push the two object. The wedge is made up of two inclined plane. A wedge is made up of two inclined plane. For example, knife and scissor. One example of a kitchen knife. The blade acts as a wedge. I take a fruit and the fruit cut with a knife. It separate a two part. So the knife is a example of wedge. When an axe is used to split the wood, so input force is given to the wood. It separates the two materials. So another one example of axe is a wedge. Axe is a wedge. I repeat, wedge is a simple machine. It is used to push two objects. For example, axe, knife, scissors, etc. Next example of screw. The screw is one of the most commonly used mechanical devices in the world. It is a machine that converts rotational motion into linear motion. A screw has a long thin metal. This is a long thin metal with a thread spiraling along its length. This is the thread is spiraling into the metal. The strength of a screw's hold depends on the width of the thread, and wider the threads, the stronger hold. More threads require more rotations attached to the screw. Wider thread, more force in the rotation. So the mechanical advantage of the screw increases when the angle of the spiral increases. The screw used to raise weights and to hold objects together. For example, a pencil sharpener, screw jack, a bottle cap, etc. The screw in the bottle cap holds the cap and the bottle together. The blade of the sharpener are held together by the screw. The blade and the sharpener are held together by the screw. This is the screw. This is the metal rod. This is the spiral threads hold into the screw. I repeat, the screw is used to raise weights and to hold objects together. For example, pencil sharpener, screw jack and bottle cap, etc. Next example of wheel and axle. This is the structure of wheel and axle. It consists of a wheel attached to a small rod so that these two parts rotate together. I repeat, wheel and axle consist of a wheel attached to a small rod so that these two parts rotate together. For example, doorknob, bicycle wheel, grinder, axle wheel, etc. This is the structure of doorknob. The wheel and axle is a machine consisting in a wheel attached to a smaller axle so that these two parts rotate together, in which a force is transferred from one to other. Next, uses. The wheel and axle is used for electric fans, motors, revolving doors, merry-go-rounds, roller blades, skateboards, cars, etc. Okay students, today's class in a simple machines. These are the examples: wedge, screw, wheel and axle. One interesting fact: our teeth is a simple machine because we cut, chew and grind the food we eat. I hope all are understood the topics. Thank you for listening, students.